Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about Chrome browser, and in today's video I will show you on how to search by image in Chrome. Let's go. So the very first thing you want to do is to go ahead and open up your Chrome browser. Having opened up your Chrome browser, go ahead and make sure you click on this profile icon right here. The next thing you want to do is to go ahead and upload picture or screenshot of whatever you want to search for. Like for instance, I'm going to use this particular pictures right here, so I'm going to upload. Then what I'm going to do is to crop the area I need. Then scroll down right here, you have the similar images that you upload, just like what you see right here. So we can scroll down and read detail about this particular person's right here. The more you scroll down, the more you see their various faces across platform. This was posted on LinkedIn, this was on YouTube, this was on Instagram. Same color, same clothes, same hair shade. The more you scroll down, the more you see everything about this particular person pictures right here. Posted on Facebook at the same time. So we can scroll down right here. It's that simple. Alternatively, to search by image on Google, let's for instance, I go back right here and exit from Google Lens right here. And then I decide to open a website. So from this particular website right here, I can decide to image search directly from this particular, like for instance, this particular news right here. So if I open up this link, then I scroll down right here, we have video, and at the same time, we have image. Let's say for instance, this particular person here, I need to know more about them. So what we want to do is to go ahead, we click and hold down, and then go ahead and click on search image with Google Lens right here. So click on that, and you can see it right here. It's going to present all the results right here. So the more you scroll down, the more you see similar faces, same shade, and same color, same hairstyle. The more you scroll down, the more you see things about them. And right here, it was posted on TikTok. This was X. This was Instagram. Then the more you scroll down, and this was Facebook. It's that simple. You can go on and use this method to image search and ask Google anything you need to know about that particular image. It's that simple. For more tutorial tips and tricks on how to search on Google, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.